The parable of the Good Shepherd. The Good Shepherd had 100 sheep. That's a lot of sheep. And he loved each one of them and always found good grass for them to eat each day. Every night, the shepherd led the sheep away so he could put them safely in a pen overnight, and he would lay across the gateway so that no one could get in to steal his sheep. But one night when he got home and he counted them all in, he got through to 99, and that was it. He was missing one sheep. What did he do? What did he do? What did he think? Well, it's bedtime and it's dark. I'm gonna just turn in for the night, and the lost sheep, he can look after himself. He's got himself lost. It's him to sort himself out. Did he do that? No, of course he didn't. The shepherd loved his sheep, so he set out to start looking for it. Even though it was nighttime, he went down the path. He went down to the river. He crossed the river and then by the lake, searching for the sheep. Still couldn't find him. So he went across the fields and through the woods. Still, he couldn't find his sheep. He searched and he searched and he never gave up. And then he looked down a deep, dark hole, and there at the bottom was this pair of eyes looking up. It was his sheep. So he put down a rope, told the sheep to hang on, and pulled the sheep up. And then he picked him up and put him on his shoulders and carried him home. And what do you think he did when he got home? They had a party. They had a party to celebrate the sheep that was lost, but was then found.